Hi, I'm Patty, and what makes my practice different at Imagine Wellness is I truly believe that you're not broken. I truly believe that I'm not here to fix you. I'm going to say that one more time. I truly believe that you are not broken. I can validate that you might feel broken or you feel disconnected from how your body's supposed to be, how you want your body to show up, or maybe how it's been in the past. And my practice takes a both scientific but also a very individualistic approach on how I can help you come back to your body in a way that you can experience yourself again. And some of the things that have happened to you were not meant to be yours. Some of the beliefs that were given to you weren't yours to begin with. And you can navigate your body safely and securely. And really, I want to give you space for you to navigate that. And there's frameworks and there's different things you can engage in, but I really want you to feel seen and heard and validated, and how I can help partner with you to come back home to your body. If that is something you're interested in and you want to hear more what I have to offer, there's lots of different ways to get in touch with me: email, phone. I have a Calendly link. I have social media where you can send me messages. And if you're just wanting to dialogue back and forth without having a conversation, I'm more than willing to do that. But if you're ready to say, yeah, I want to feel like me again, let's set up a call and let's see if I can serve you and if it's something that would be your next step or what you're ready for, with no pressure, no timeline, and with a lot of curiosity and kindness and compassion, that being a woman, being a man in 2025 can be really difficult, especially when it comes to your health. So hope this helps, and enjoy all the different videos I have floating around on YouTube. Okay, thanks.